Hi, this is Chinmayi. Since about 2014-15 and my discovery and love and obsession with K-beauty, J-beauty and everything else, and starting small and speaking about it on my YouTube channel to starting a company that legitimately and legally imported Korean skincare into the country in about 2018, IsleOfSkin has come a long way. And I'm truly grateful for all your support. And this has been something that has been in the works for a pretty long time. And today onwards, IsleOfSkin will now be SkinRoute. SkinRoute basically encapsulates all the learnings that I have, acquired in the past several years while looking at the commonalities in Southeast Asian self-care, beauty, hair care products, especially when the base is herbal medicine. And I have always loved Korean skincare, mainly because how beautifully they married herbal medicine and cutting edge modern science. And this is what I want to be bringing in when we launch our own brand. And today, as the first step, I'm very happy to announce IsleOfSkin will now be SkinRoute.com. Please continue to support us, and you can be rest assured that all the brands, all the products that you find on our website has been legitimately imported, and they come directly from Korea, and in the next few months also directly from Japan. This has been something that I have been working for in the past couple of years, and I'm truly grateful for all your support. And I hope, wish and pray that you'll continue to support us as we take our small first steps into hopefully the start of a bigger, longer, grander journey.